In this video, I will show you how to schedule a trip using a Garmin nuvi. When you watch this at first, you're going to think, wow, what a nice feature that is. And by the end of this video, you're going to be mad. You'll see why. This is a nuvi 2457. I'm showing this one on purpose because I believe this was the either one of the first, if not the first model to have this trip scheduling feature. It might have been in the 3790, maybe, but I don't have one of those, so I can't check. But let's go. Let's do this. Okay, so apps trip planner. New trip. Select the start location. I will just do where I am now. Now I could select an address or a saved location, recent, whatever, but or from a search intersection, browse the map. We will just do where I am now. This is our start location. Sure. Okay. Now I'm going to add a destination. I'll just do a category search. Oops, wrong letter. Oop. This is the 2457, so it's a little sluggish, but it still manages to get through. And we will go there. Oop, sorry. There. Okay. And I will add one more. Actually, the bullet. No. Let's try this. Sometimes it has a hard time finding this one. Oh, nope, it found it. Good. Select that. Okay. And I will make that one the middle destination. So we got from here to there to there. Very good. And I'm just going to name it as a test. It's got some distance to it, so it takes a bit to crunch through the route data there. Now, notice something. Set departure time, set arrival, set arrival. We'll leave this alone for the time being. This is what it looks like. And notice that at top it says unscheduled trips. Well, I can go in here and I will set a departure time for tomorrow, and the way you go through this is by scrolling the numbers, swiping the numbers I should say. So I'll just do tomorrow at noon. There we go. And now, leaving at noon, arrive here at about 1:10 p.m. and arrive there at about 1:50 p.m. Now the really nice thing about this is that, okay, I take off from here and I arrive here. And let's just say I stay there for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, doesn't matter. When I get back in the car afterward and I load this trip again, this schedule will auto update itself. So instead of this saying if I was there, say, for a half an hour, so now from 1:10, it's now 1:40 p.m. And this time will adjust down here to 40 minutes ahead. It will automatically do it. Nice. And because I set it for tomorrow, look at that. There is my upcoming trip. It's now not an unscheduled trip. It's an upcoming trip. Sweet. That is neat that you can do that even on a 2457. And you can do this with this nuvi 2457 all the way up to the end of the nuvi line. So we can do it with a nuvi 58, 56. We can do it with a 2599, 2690, 2689. Yeah, we can totally do it. That feature is there. But can we do this on a DriveSmart? Well, let's find out. Now what we have here is a DriveSmart 50. See? So we've gone beyond the nuvi line now, and now we have the DriveSmart. Can we still schedule a trip? Well, let's find out. Apps, trip planner. Actually, let me delete this one. We'll start from scratch like before. So create trip. Okay, a little different, but let's see if we can make this work. Selecting a start location where I am now. All right, select a destination category. Oh, I already have it. Oh, no, I didn't want that. No. There we go. I believe it was that one. And add a location. Category search. Yep. Select. Okay, from there to there to there. Looks about right. Calculate the route once again. Excuse me. Okay. Save. Okay. Well, notice it does not say unscheduled trips now. We just have trip planner and save trips. Well, let's see what we can do with this. Okay, can I go here? Down. Oh, edit schedule. That's new. Okay. Ah. Can I set a date? No. But at least I can set a time. So let's set this one just for 3 o'clock. Okay. Yep. All right. Depart at 3, arrive here at 3:43, then arrive here at 4:13. Okay, that's good. Because the same as before, if I arrive here at 3:43 and then I'm there half an hour and then have to get here, that will auto adjust. But even though I've saved that, it doesn't reflect that it's a scheduled trip here. But it is still scheduled, because if I go back and I look at the schedule, it did save it. Okay, good. Well, that's something. But can we do this on the DriveSmart 66? Let's find out. Hang on, I forgot a generation. We had one after that DriveSmart, which was the Drive 52, DriveSmart 55, and 65. I forgot about that. So we'll use the 52 for this one, which would be the same, by the way, as the 55 and 65 as far as the features and UI is concerned. So, okay. And just to show you, that's what we got here now. All right. Can we do a scheduled trip with this guy? Apps, trip, new, start. Looks similar to the DriveSmart 50. Okay. Where I am now, select destination. Oh, what was it? Oh, yeah. We will do category search. GUITARC. They're going to find it. There we go. That one, select, add a location, category, search, ROUND1. Yep. Yep. Select, from there to there, to there, next. Calculate the route once again. And we will see if we can schedule this thing. Okay, still very similar to the DriveSmart 50. Save. Test. Yep. Okay. So I've got that saved trip. Let's load that. Let's do this. Yes, we do have edit schedule. Can we set a date? No, but we can set a time, just like before. So let's do 3 o'clock as the departure time. Yep, good. Oh, and by the way, can I do this? Yeah, I can set an arrival if I want to. So let's just say I set this one as 5 p.m. You'll notice it adjusted in reverse. So I can do a departure or arrival depending on which one I am editing and save. Okay, does it show? No, it does not show anything like on the 2457 did, but if I go to edit the schedule, yes, the time held. Oh, and I might as well show this right here. I can just outright clear the schedule and you'll notice it gets rid of the times there, and then you can do it again if you want to. And now let's go to the 66 and see if we can do it there. Okay, here we are, 66. Let's see if we can do it. Same as before. Apps, route planner, create. Okay, this is a lot different, but we'll get through it. We'll start up here. Search. Where I am now. Yep. And then search again. Category. Oop, spelled it wrong. There we go. Okay, we're still getting through it. We're doing okay. We're doing okay. That one, select. Even while it's calculating, I can search again. Category. All right. Good. Select. Let us make sure it is in the correct order. Here to there to there. Or did I want to do, well, let's just do it this way. Yeah, there to there to there. Done. And it will recalculate. Yep, there it goes. Okay, very good. The route is, let's get a full view of that. All right, the route is done. That looks good. Okay, and save. I'll just keep that name, that's fine. Okay. Select. Can I schedule? Okay. No! I cannot. Oh. I'll be honest with you, this made me mad. I can go all the way back to it. Well, let's recap. Let's recap. Okay. 2457. That's old. That's old. I was able to schedule a trip with both time and date. With time and date. And I was able to do this all the way up until the 25.99, 26.99. Okay, fine. Then we move on to the DriveSmart. Okay? And we can't set a date, but we can set departure and arrival time. Okay, that's good. And then we get to this, and it's gone. Oh. It's not that I will ever use this feature. I won't, personally. But for people that use these things for driver delivery, screwed. Well, not totally. I mean, you can still do departure and arrival times using Garmin Basecamp. Yeah, you could do that. Actually, I don't even know if this will take it. But, oh, man. That was annoying. Because even in the help section, if I go to the help section here, it says here, To create, save, navigate is be useful. Planning a delivery route. Well, not really. Vacation or road trip. You can edit, save, customize, shaping points. You can also. Okay. There was something in here that actually said you can schedule in the help section. I saw it. Make a change. It's in here somewhere. I'd have to find it, but it did say the word schedule somewhere in here. And you can't schedule with this. Not doable. Boo! Boo! Say that with a southern flair. Boo! Nasty. So in order to get the full functionality of a trip planner with time and date, you have to go with the nuvi. There's no DriveSmart that can do it. DriveSmart, they took away the date function. You can still set departure and arrival time, but not the date, not directly on the unit. You gotta go old for that. Sad.